Today we are working on Excel Lesson 7, the ninth and final lesson within Lesson 7, filtering information. So, first thing it says, click the auto filter icon for the month header. So this one right here. To activate the auto filter, click the plus for 2016, so this little plus right here, and that opens up all the data rows for the table for this year value. The auto filter menu displays a list of every unique value in this column. You can set the filter by turning the checkbox on or off for the values you want. Scroll up and select all. Select that checkbox to turn it off. And then click on March and June. March and June to turn them on, and then click OK. The table now shows only these two rows. Excel hides the rows that do not meet the criteria and displays only records that have a matching value in the filtered field. Excel also changes the auto filter icon to indicate it's using a field limited. So you can see this right here, that little icon shows you that it's limited. Mark that as answer, go to the next one. The conditions you select are called filter criteria. You can also set other types of criteria such as greater than or less than. So click the auto filter icon for the month header again. Point to date filters right here. Then click between in the menu. Between. That opens up the custom auto filter dialog box. Enter July 1st, July 1, comma 2016. And then in the second blank entry, we're going to type November 30th, comma 2016. You can see this is what you should have entered. And then click OK to apply that filter. You can see that it added some stuff in there. Click the auto filter on the other. Click the select all checkbox. Turn that off. And then click 200 to turn that on. And then click OK. The table now shows only two rows, those that fall within the specified dates, and show the value 200 in the other column. So we've really sorted those. Click the auto filter icon for the other header. Then click clear filter from other. The table is reverted back to displaying all the months from July to November, which indicates you had two filters working together. Click the auto filter icon for the month header. Then click clear filter from month. The full table is now displayed again. So mark that as answered, submit, submit results, and there's our 4 green check marks. So this completes all of Lesson 7.